Do you suffer from frustratingly low water pressure and are looking for a fix? Perhaps your house was built prior to the 1970s and has small pipes which are not up to the job these days, and those pipes may even be made of lead. It's possible that you've noticed the weak flow of water, but are not sure how you would go about having your pipes replaced. We offer an efficient, cost-effective solution that will give you minimal disruption while we replace your pipes. Using the impact molding technique, we will burrow underground in such an unobtrusive way that you will hardly notice that we are there. Using our state-of-the-art equipment, we are able to offer a trenchless solution to your water flow problems. In fact, the only digging that we need to do is to make two small holes. One to put the moulding equipment in at the beginning of the process and another at the end. It's that simple. Put an end to your poor water flow and call us now to see how we can help your situation. With just one call, your low water pressure problems could all be over.